In this video, we're diving into the pocket option versus Binomo debate, focusing on which platform is faster for trading. Speed matters a lot in binary options, especially when you're trading short-term options where every second counts. So let's compare the two in terms of trade execution, latency, and overall performance. Starting with pocket option, this platform is built with speed in mind. It's known for its fast trade execution, meaning that when you place a trade, it gets processed quickly with minimal delays. This is crucial, especially in volatile markets when timing is everything. Pocket option also has a clean interface that doesn't get bogged down, making your trade smoother and quicker. Now let's talk about Binomo. Binomo also provides a good trading experience, but some users have reportedly slight delays, particularly during high traffic times. These delays, though minimal, can sometimes impact short-term trades where precision is key. However, it's still considered a reliable platform overall. So when it comes to pure speed, Pocket Option holds the advantage with faster execution and a more responsive interface. It's optimized for quick decision making and low latency, making it the better choice for traders who prioritize speed. On mobile, Pocket Option stands out with fewer lag issues compared to Binomo, especially during peak usage times. While Binamo's app is solid, it might be not as responsive as Pocket Options, which is a big deal for fast traders. In conclusion, if you're looking for the fastest platform to execute trades, Pocket Option is your best bet. It outperforms Binimo in terms of trade, speed, and overall responsiveness. If this video helped you decide which platform is faster for your trading needs, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any more helpful comparisons.